House building status as of January 27th. As you can see, this is the front of the house. Quite a lot's been done on the exterior. All the siding, windows are in, pillars are done. They've started to paint. Still need to do the decking material, trim, lighting, things like that. Coming around to the east side over here, this porch goes basically on 3 sides, not all the way on the 2 sides, but about halfway on each one. The slider that you see coming up is the primary bedroom, and this blank wall, that's the rest of the master, the closets and bathroom. Then this sliding glass door is the guest room, and the rest of the house back to the corner there is all guest room. So when you come to visit, you'll have a nice big place to stay. Coming along to the back, or the north side, not a lot to see, but a little bit. We've got the air conditioning units in, all the wiring ready to hook up, the plumbing ready to hook up. Coming along here is the barbecue deck. Back here we'll have the grill, a sink, outdoor table. This area will be screened in. That door accesses a little hall that also goes to the laundry room and then to the rest of the house. And that door goes into the kitchen. This area is the dining room. So, nice big windows in the dining room. There'll be lots of light. Coming across from the dining room is the rest of the porch. This is an indoor-outdoor fireplace. And there's also a door that comes from the dining room to this hall, or deck. And that brings us back to the front.